Welcome to another Corsa video, and in this video we're going to be having another go at the exhaust back box. So hopefully this time we've got the correct cherry bomb back box in. I mean, it looks right. I did actually see the eBay listing for this one, and it does say for a Corsa D 2006 to whatever it was, I can't remember when Corsa D production ended, but Corsa D. And the 1.2 petrol, which this is. So get this back end up and we'll see if we can get this back box fitted. Here's the replacement section, and the good news is it'll fit, but I'll need to cut this off, cut a bit of this exhaust off and slide it in. So I see do a few measurements, see if I can sleeve this in. I mean, I'll be stuffed if the diameters are the same, but we'll cross that bridge if we get to it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this section of exhaust off, and that's either going to be a 10 or a 13. It's a 13. Got a small impact. I'll just undo this clamp. And open up. Yeah, I think that's going to undo. I did spray some WD in the previous video in part 1. There we go. There we go. That's definitely undoing. And because I'm going to have to reuse this clamp and then move this out of the way. Yeah, and I think it looks like it's been blowing at the joint, so that can be easily fixed. So the next thing I need to do is get this rubber clamp off. I think you can get actual tools for this, but just have to make do with my water pump pliers. Maybe a big flat bladed screwdriver. So I think I'll leave that joint and move into this rear one. So moving on to the back of the car. See if I can get this off somehow. Moving back to the joint, see if I can get it out of the joint. I should have got myself a hammer, so I'll come back. So I managed to get this out. I just used a bit of WD-40 on these rubber hangers, and it was able to come out a bit more easy, and I managed to get it out without too much trouble. So here's a replacement cherry bomb, and I just sort of put it roughly in the position it's going to be on the car, and we can see where I need to make a cut. So I'll just need to make some measurements, see if I can sleeve it. So I'll just do some measurements and see where we're at. So I've got the calipers out, outside diameter of this, And let's see, I'll just check it again. There we go. And that's reading, yeah, about 48, 49 mil, which is more than the outside diameter of this pipe, so I think it should sleeve straight in. So I think I better check internal diameter as well. So just and see how that compares. So that's the internal diameter of the cherry bomb, which is about 44. And about, good news, it's just a little bit, not much in it, a little bit more, so I should be able to slide that straight in and clamp it. So it should just fit straight onto this stock pipe. So what I'll need to do is I'll need to work out my cut, where I'm going to cut, and I'll probably have to cut this bracket off as well. And then it's just a matter of sliding it on, and then a bit of exhaust paste, it should seal it, and then we're good. So I've got my trusty grinder out, so I better mark where I need to cut it, probably cut it up to here to allow for plenty of overlap, and we should be good. So I'm all set up. I've got the grinder ready. So remember the 3 G's: goggles, gloves and guard. And I made that one up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it sort of there, and the cherry bomb will just slide on straight in there, and I can keep this hanger on. So I'll make a cut, I won't show it on camera, and I'll come back to you. So that's looking a bit better, so we'll just offer up this cherry bomb. Oh, look at that, that's a good, I think that, yeah, that's going to be a good enough fit. Bit of a exhaust paste and a clamp, and we should be good. So to help it seal better, I've cut a couple of slits in the cherry bomb with the grind, and that should help it seal. So we can start to putting all this back together. What I'm going to do is, I don't know if you can see that, get a bit of exhaust paste on this section of exhaust. Just smear it on thick, and then off this section back up, and refit this section of exhaust. And then put the re-hang that bit of exhaust. I don't know whether you can see this. But I think that was in there. Now I think this is where it was blowing. So just need to refit this. Impact. I think I just need to undo these a bit more. And then do it up. Try not to go full send, and go full send on this, don't I? And there we go, that's that bit of exhaust back up. And just got to do the same to get the light, get to where you can see, and then just need to do the same again. Get loads of exhaust paste around here. I say, coming out of the tube, it reminds me of Primula cheese. So there, that should be enough, and then offer up the cherry bomb. So I managed to get the exhaust on, but unfortunately it's fouled in the bumper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my Dremel tool. I'm going to trim a bit off here, and it should be a better fit. So I'll get that trimmed off camera, and then we'll try again. So I've managed to get it fitted. I had to trim the bumper a bit with the trusted Dremel. That's about as good as it's going to get. It probably need a bit more working on. I'm not sure that I'd pass an MOT, but I might have to trim that off in the future. So it's time for the moment of truth. Yeah, go on. Don't rev up too much. Just let it idle. There, exhaust. There. Yeah. So that's basically job done. So I'm gonna end this video here. It'll need a bit more work doing. So as ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.